Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Web Gear Review. I am your host, the Web Gear Guy, and today I want to just show you just a little quick video about a couple of pack frames that was issued during the Vietnam War. Now I don't know how much of this video will help anybody, but it might possibly help you if you're hunting one of these pack frames for your pack. But what we have here is we have a pack frame that was used with the tropical rucksack, and then we got the pack frame which is almost identical, but they are different in size to the Arvin pack right here. Now I have videos in a hoe as on both of these packs, okay, that you can go back and look for. But I just thought we might show you these frames up close. Now, the dimensions is the main thing that is different. The tropical rucksack, if you find one of these laying around in a junk store or somewhere, basically it's 15 inches tall. If you find one that's 15 inches tall and, let's see here, about 12 3/4 wide, then you know you have one for the tropical rucksack. On the other hand, the one that was built for the Vietnamese people was a little smaller, and it is 12 3/4 inches tall, and it is 12 3/4 wide. So basically, the only difference in these is the height. Actually, see that? Because the width is the same, but the height, there's like a 2.5 inch difference in the height between these two frames. Now the main thing, or one of the things I'd like you to notice, is these are made out of spring steel. See how that bends? And then it pops right back. See how this bends? There's a reason that these are made out of spring steel and just not regular old tempered steel. But these are spring steel, and I'll show you that in probably the next video, where I'm going to show you the straps and everything on these frames. Thanks for watching the Web Gear Review. If you find any value in this, then hit the like button. Thanks for watching.